Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you my easy, less fattening and quick too to make coleslaw. It is the coleslaw you should be making this summer. I'm sure you and your family will love it. So stay with me and I'll show you how to make this lovely coleslaw. What you need for this coleslaw will be some white cabbage, some carrots, a red onion, and an apple. Find the full recipe on the website www.aftervillagekitchen.com. First, let's make the creamy dressing. You'll need some natural yogurt, some Dijon mustard, some mayo, lemon juice, black pepper and salt. First of all, you add your yogurt. So for me, I use about 2 parts of yogurt to 1 part of mayo, just because I want to make it a little bit healthier. So here I used about 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt and I added 2 tablespoons of mayo. Mix it up all well until it's well incorporated. Then add in the Dijon mustard, about half a teaspoon, and some lemon juice. I used about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which made it really tangy. I like it like that. You can cut it down a bit to about a tablespoon, and about a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt. You can also cut down the salt a little bit. You leave it for a while for all the flavors to develop, and it really comes out really well. So when you have a taste like I did now, you wouldn't find that the flavors coming through very much, but just leave it for about 20 minutes and the flavors will develop really well. Now on to our veggies. I chose to use my food processor to make the work really easy for me, but if you don't have a food processor, just use a hand grater will do as well, or even just use a knife to shred your cabbage. So there goes in my cabbage, and the food processor is just whizzing it all up for me. How easy is that? I just love kitchen gadgets that help us, make life easy in the kitchen. So yes, so red onion went in, and then the carrots. Look how easy this is. Within minutes, this salad is ready. How easy is that? This is the must coleslaw that you need to make this summer. It is a must, trust me. And you know what? It's half the fat. Tasty, tangy, and quick and easy and delicious. So this took like a minute to grate this up with my food processor, but if you don't have one, you can equally do this within 10 minutes using your knife or your box grater if you've got one. It's still really easy without having a food processor. So here we go, ready for my salad cream. Now before you add your veggies into the cream, have a taste to see if the flavors have developed and you really like it. If it's too tangy, add a bit of sugar. Half a teaspoon of sugar will reduce this and make it a little bit sweeter. Or you can even add in a bit more yogurt or a bit more black pepper, whatever you think is lacking. Okay, everybody and how they prefer their taste to be. I love the tangy, so when you follow this recipe to the latter, you get a really tangy taste. And it lasted, because there was quite a lot of lemon juice in there, it lasted for some good couple of days in the fridge. So yeah, just go ahead and mix it all up until every single cabbage, carrot, onion, apple is soaked in the salad dressing or cream or sauce, whatever you like to call it. But yes, this was just ready to be eaten with some lovely food. When you're not ready to eat it, you can decide not to mix it up with the cream, leave it in the fridge, and when you're ready to serve, just mix it all up. So here we go, the must make coleslaw for this summer. I served it up with some sweet corn, with some buttered mint, some chips, some ketchup, and some peri-peri chicken. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for lovely meals like this, tips, techniques, and all.